Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to download Google Chrome extensions. Open your Google Chrome, then search for Web Store. On your Chrome address bar, click on the first link. Then after you can browse extension by category or search for a specific extension using the search bar in the top left corner. Search. Once you have found the extension you want, click on extension's name and name to open its page and click on add to Chrome. On the extension page, click the add to Chrome button. Confirm installation. A pop-up will appear asking for your permission to add the extension. Review the requested permission and click add extension to confirm. After a few moments, the extension will be installed and its icon may appear in the Chrome toolbar to the right of the address bar. Access extension by clicking the extension icon, a puzzle piece icon. You can see it near the address bar. In the Chrome toolbar to see your installed extension. If you want the extension icon to be visible all the time, click on the extension icon, find the extension you want to pin and click on pin icon next to it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.